Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm doing a beautiful pink rose acrylic pour. To start off with, I'm using all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints and I'm filling up a larger cup with greens using white emerald green, my electric lime, my meadow green, and then some of the everglade green, along with a little bit of a temporary color I had, which was a green matcha. Now I have two smaller cups here that I'm filling up with various pinks primarily. So I used Merlot, I used the pearl pink, and I used the electric pink. And then I also used the coral, the peachy coral, and then a little bit of yellow, and kind of just layered these into these cups. Now in these cups, I only put maybe about 2 ounces of paint, and a very key point is to use very, very tiny amounts of each, like just really tiny amounts, not even a quarter of an ounce as you go. So I'm using a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I put my largest bottle bottom on here, which is the 4-inch bottle bottom, same size you would get off of like a 2-liter thing of soda. I think it is 2 liters, the big bottles of soda. I poured the green over it and then took that off, and I used the small cups in the middle of that hole there to do the kiss pour. Now you will not need all of the paint in your small cups, but you want to add some extra paint to those cups so that you don't have trouble doing your kiss pour. And it's very important not to put too much paint in the middle there, or your rose will be huge once you spin it out. Now I like to take a stick and kind of put lines through the sort of leaves, I call them, of the green, because that's essentially what the green is intended to be. And I did add a little bit of extra green around the edge just so I had some extra paint when I spun it out. Now I have this canvas on top of my cake spinner that I got from Amazon. It is fantastic. It spins very well, and I have the canvas held onto the cake spinner with a few pieces of double-sided sticky tape. And as another note, I do also have a plastic shower cap on top of the cake spinner to help protect it. Spin it out as much as you want. I typically kind of help the corners a little bit as I go to get it all filled in. If you keep spinning it, your rose will just get bigger and bigger. But here you can see I love, love, love the greens. I think it makes the perfect kind of leaf total kind of look to this. And then the rose, one of the reasons I do a kiss pour instead of just doing a straight tree ring is because I want those kind of rough edges. So you can see the edges are kind of wobbly there. If you just do a tree ring, it becomes a little too perfect. So that's why I like to do it like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you all next time.